Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Good afternoon. It's your girl Jovi. I'm going on a lunch break, guys, so I'll take you with me. Just waiting for the lift. There you go.
It just didn't open.
Going down.
Having a go at
But
the
you were
AFL
standing
guy.
there, I was standing.
Oh, because the AFL Association on the 14th floor said, you robbed my team.
Who's your team?
Collingwood.
Yeah, same. I feel like I asked
That
when
was
we
the
first
whole
started.
office as well.
Oh, really?
When you got your teeth and you got a job.
Pick it, well,
Oh, well, yeah.
I'm Collingwood too, so.
Aren't they the
Oh,
best? They are the
look, we
last
could
of
stay in
them.
this lift all day and
I
just
know,
talk about tonight.
absolutely.
How am I going to
Just gonna go out. So guys, it's a bit gloomy, but ooh, it's freaking cold. Going this way. Oh, it's very cold, guys. I'm sorry about the angle with the camera because I'm still like I'm holding it with my hand instead of like in a tripod. I'm just crossing the road. So yeah, guys, I badly need a tripod, guys, so I can actually, you know, see more view than just my face. It's just that I'm holding it with my hand, guys, so it's very difficult for me. But maybe sometime, maybe tonight actually or tomorrow, I'm gonna go get a tripod, guys. So we'll see how we go, because I watch YouTube and they're talking about this one particular tripod and apparently it's really good, so I'm gonna go check that out later on. But for now, I'm just gonna go get something to eat. So we're at District Docklands. This is nice. It looks warm. Not my style though. The cloth. You guys have got sale. $2 only. $5. That's pretty good. So they've got few stalls or few shops close here, guys. I think they are yeah, doing renovation. Have a look. Oh, that would be exciting. There used to be Priceline here, guys, a year ago, but I don't think they're making enough sale to stay here, so it's interesting to know which health and beauty shops going to, you know, have their shop here at District Docklands. Oh, I love the word. That's actually H&M, guys. H&M's pretty good as well. They've got something here for the kids. Have a look at this. Oh, Not just for kids, guys, obviously. Oh, look at this. Also, parents can go with the kids. Wow. That's cool. We're just gonna go in here, guys, H&M, to do our OOTD, because they have like massive mirrors here. There you go. Well, maybe here. So this is what I'm wearing right now, guys. So yesterday I was wearing really high heels, so I decided to wear flats today. And I've got tattoo jeans and belt, or come this way, guys, because people are looking at me. And then I've got these turtleneck long sleeve top, guys, and I got it from AliExpress, so I bought it online. They're really cool, guys. Have a look. Keeps me warm. And also just this black how do you call this, oversized jacket. Yeah, guys, Koreana guys, or so yeah, let's keep going. So guys, you don't really need to get anything from the shop, guys, to go in, right? You can just go and take photos and, you know, over TD. So this is the wheel. So this is the Melbourne Star, guys. That's massive. Massive ice cream too. So I'm just gonna go there, guys. So you can see there's Boost juice in the corner. That's what I'm gonna get. So I don't feel like eating, guys. So I'm just gonna have Boost juice. Okay. Gonna get banana bars with extra honey. I didn't bring my bag, guys, because I just couldn't be bothered. So I just took my wallet. So yeah, guys, I'm just waiting for my banana bars. Very lucky, guys, because I thought I've got cash in my wallet, but I didn't have any. So very, very lucky that I can actually pay using my phone, or else, yeah, it will be awkward, guys. Here it is, guys. I got it now. So I just get the regular size, guys, because I can't finish the whole, you know, the large one. I know there's not much difference with the price, but oh well, this will do. So you guys see the wheel? Oh, maybe the lighting. There you go. So I still have time, guys, because we have 45 minutes break. I still have time, so I'm just gonna walk around and maybe I'll go to Bonds to check. They're always on sale, but see if they have tights, like baby tights, leggings. I want to get some for Paris, guys, because we're going away next weekend, and where we're going will be really, really cold, because it's like 2 hours away from Melbourne, so we'll see. Gonna go to Bonds. There you go. I'm just gonna go in, so see what's available for my little guy. So guys, they have 40% all kids underwear and socks. Hi, how are you? Good, thank you. Yeah, I'm actually looking. Yeah, so thank you. Perfect, thanks. So many options, guys. But I was looking at this one, so she can wear it with everything. So it's $11.95 and they're all 40% off. So maybe I'll grab one of these. I like these too, guys. But Paris get a lot of socks already. I think she needs more leggings. Alright, I think I'm gonna go with this one. So I've got it now, guys. It's just the leggings for Paris. So I'm gonna keep going because time is running out. Let's go back to work. Oh wow, this is so cool, guys. The reading room. Please come in and enjoy the reading room. Wow, it's amazing. Pretty cool. She's flying. OMG, some people. Do it. Back to the office, guys. Going back to the office. It's already I don't know, 3:30. So guys, an hour and a half and we'll be heading home. Can't wait. See you guys all in a bit. Hi guys. Oh Lord, I just finished work and hello weekend, guys. I am so excited to actually, you know, just go home and seriously spend the weekend with the family, guys. Oh, what's everyone got on for the weekend, guys? What's everyone got on for the weekend? It's pretty cold and it's actually like raining and very windy outside, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go home and I think Daddy wants to take Paris for a swim tonight, so we'll see how it goes, considering the weather is not very friendly at the moment. But yeah, I'm just gonna go home and I'll see you guys when I get home. Hi guys, good evening. So I am now home, as you can see. I've got my little one here. She's sleeping. So as I said earlier that we might go take Paris for a swim, but it didn't happen, guys, because it was pouring outside. So we ended up staying indoors and, you know, enjoying my cuddles with my baby girl. So yeah, guys, it is freaking pissing outside. So yeah, we're just gonna stay in. We're gonna watch a movie maybe later on, and yeah, that's how we're gonna spend our Friday nights. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and also please like this video, guys. I would appreciate that a lot, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. See you later, guys. Bye.